Hello, hi, good evening. All our lovely people. AccuCheck Wealthy program welcomes you to a very great interactive new topic for this week. We are going to discuss some great things about your eye health, eye care, and its association with diabetes. Can I get a hi, hello, or a good evening from all my lovely AccuCheck Wealthy audience? Hello, good evening. Hi, good evening. Hello. Our friends are looking for the link. They want to join the webinar with all of us. So let's wait for another 5 minutes and then we can discuss about the relationship between eye health, eye care, and diabetes management. Meanwhile, why don't you all share how are your Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations? What special things did you do? I'm sure everybody tried to enjoy in their own way. And we indulged in a lot of fried snacks, sweet preparations, homemade modaks, and so many sweet items. But I'm sure Bappa has blessings on us and he took all the care. And I'm sure you also connected with your health coach on what tips, what tricks you should apply while celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi. So, can you all share your great experiences in chat? What special preparations did you do? How differently did you celebrate your Ganesh Chaturthi? Some special sugar free items, some special diabetic snacks, some special oil free namkeens. Any one of you had in these last week or 10 days, and we enjoyed Ganesh Chaturthi like every year with a lot of changes, but in a healthier way. Yes, can I get few responses on how did you celebrate your Ganesh Chaturthi over the last 1 week, 10 days? Sugar free modaks, any recipes which you tried, any new things which you want to suggest to all of our lovely audience here? I'm waiting for your chat responses. I'm sure all of you did a lot of cheat meals, a lot of sweet preparations, a lot of heavy fried snacks, and enjoyed the festivities to the fullest. Hello, good evening. We have some new people who have joined the session with us today. Can I quickly get a hi, hello response from your end for today's session? Today's session is going to be a knowledgeable experience, a learning experience for all of us to understand what is the relationship between eye care and diabetes management. Hello, hi, good evening. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all our special AccuCheck Wealthy members. Yes, I can see some great festivity celebrations all of you had. Okay, some people heard special prayers, some people made sugar free items, some people cooked special delicacies at home. Wow. I am happy to know all of this. I'm sure your health coach supported in creating new recipes, new changes. She gave you tips on how these festivities are celebrated. I'm sure we know that how Ganesh Chaturthi, how sweet consumption, how fried snacks can impart our diabetes management in a negative way. But we made sure that sugar monitoring was done regularly, and we discussed all of this information with our health coach and made sure we enjoyed to the fullest without any health concerns. Yes, we all are here. It's time to discuss about today's amazing topic, eye care, the relationship between eye health and diabetes management. Before we start today's topic, how many of you think that taking care of your eyes, since you are freshly detected an old diabetic or somebody who is living this journey for a long time, on a scale of 1 to 5, how important do you think it is to take care of your eyes as a part of your diabetes management, 5 being the highest? Can I quickly get a number from all of my lovely AccuCheck wealthy people? Okay, 4, 5, 3, okay, 5, okay, okay. So I can see many of you realize that how eye health, eye care is important in managing your diabetes. And today we are exactly going to learn the same thing, how eye health is important or what tips you should follow in your day to day diabetes management to make sure that आपके आंखों को कोई तकलीफ ना हो, आपकी आंखों की health is improved over a longer period and it is not affected by your blood sugar levels. So let's start today's journey. Okay, so all of us have seen that patients or people like us who are suffering from high blood sugar levels or high values of HbA1c usually have a higher risk of eye infections, okay, eye issues. They feel that they cannot are unable to identify slightly minute things, or they feel that the spec number is increasing at a faster rate compared to people who do not have diabetes. Yes, it is true. Any person who doesn't take care of their eye health may suffer complications in their sight, in their vision, because of uncontrolled diabetes, because of uncontrolled blood sugar level. It is something which needs utmost important and utmost care. Now, इसके पहले कि हम आगे जाए, let me tell you 3 important organs can have effect or can have some slight changes in the way they function because of blood sugars, high blood sugars, uncontrolled diabetes, and prolonged diabetes. Number 1, your eye health, okay, or your retina. Number 2, your kidney. Okay, very, very important. We call it nephropathy. And third most important thing, your digestive tract, your digestion, your digestive system. So today we are going to learn about eye, your sight, your vision, and its impact on diabetes management. Okay, so let's understand what is diabetic eye disease. हमें every time we go to a diabetic doctor or we go to a diabetologist, he will tell her कि आपके आंखों का ध्यान रखो, हर 3 महीने में आई चेकअप करो, go to a specialist, correct? Go to somebody who will make sure that there is no retina extension, there is no cataract or other eye related concerns, or the strength or the functioning of your eye or your sight is 100% or at least appropriate for your day to day activities. Okay, now लेट मी टेल यू, आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि शायद मुझे चश्मा है या मेरी साइट वीक है. इज इट बिकॉज ऑफ डायबिटीज? Let me tell you, there are many factors which can impact your retina, your eye health, and your sight, the clarity of your sight and your vision understanding. Okay, so it is important for us that for every aspect of your eye disease or your eye concerns, we do not just say that it is because of diabetes, but definitely diabetes is an underlying cause. अगर आपकी ब्लड शुगर काफी समय तक हाई है, अगर आप उसको कंट्रोल करने में ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं, if you are not able to get it under normal levels, Okay, it may affect three important organs, and the topmost one is your eyes. Your eye health, it can lead to various eye diseases. Now, what is diabetic eye disease? Okay, various eye problems, various eye concerns, as we discussed, come with a lot of blood sugar improvements. मतलब हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि अगर हमें आंखों की अच्छी देखभाल करनी है, we have to make sure that we are taking care of our blood sugar levels. We are controlling them at a regular basis. Okay. Various eye diseases which can occur because of diabetes, diabetic retinopathy, जैसे नाम सजेस्ट करता है, डायबिटीज के वजह से आपके रेटिना, रेटिना का मतलब क्या है? द ब्लैक प्यूपिल, ओवर इट देयर इज अ साइट, देयर इज अ विजन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रेटिना. रेटिनोपैथी मतलब रेटिना का काम करना कम हो जाता है. मैक्यूलर एडिमा, इसका मतलब क्या है कि आपके आईज का जो लोकेशन है या आपके साइट का जो फोकस है वो ब्लर होने लगता है over time because of so much increased sugar levels that the oxygen which is supplied to your eyes to give you a proper sight doesn't reach the actual veins. तो हमारे आंखों के साथ बॉडी के वेन्स जुड़े हैं जिससे ऑक्सीजन ब्लड सप्लाई होता है. सो वी हैव टू मेक श्योर that those veins are giving sufficient oxygen, sufficient blood supply in the entire eyes so that the functioning is proper. Okay, that gets affected in macular edema. Cataract, you may have heard this with a lot of people in your relatives, in your neighborhood, in your friends, that after 60, after 65 I get cataract. No, that is not true. Cataract is usually a blurry vision. Okay, or if I want to tell you in simple language, the transparency of your retinal cover gets blurry. That is how cataract occurs, and the blood supply to your eye veins reduces. Okay, glaucoma, this is commonly seen in a lot of diabetic patients who are on a very higher end. Those people who have blood sugars above 250, 300, 350 at a regular interval. If you're celebrating festivals, if once in a week or once in 2 weeks your blood sugars are high, that is okay. I am not saying that will lead to glaucoma. Okay, but eventually if you don't control them, if you don't take the right measures, it can affect your eye health negatively, or it may affect your sight, your vision, your clarity negatively. Yes, let's see how is the correlation between these diseases and diabetes. As we discussed, what is diabetic retinopathy? Small blood vessels in the retina become weak and leak blood. Okay, because of which blindness or reduced vision is seen. Directly, it won't happen that day one you start with retinopathy and day two you can't see, your vision is lost. There are stages, there are steps wherein first you start with maybe your eyesight is very weak, there is a lot of water dripping from your eyes, maybe your sight is not clear, or your specs or your number, eyesight number is increasing every week, every 2 weeks, every month. Okay, so these are few things which can help us understand that retinopathy can occur. Simple things like blurry vision. Everybody is able to see appropriately, but you cannot identify a certain object even if you have specs. Floating spots in your vision. When you look at a particular object, or when you go through some far sight object, there are some spots, black spots, something like as small as a dot or as small as a full stop or a bindi, which you can see continuously appears in front of your eyes. Okay, these are some symptoms which can help you identify ki yes, my eye condition or my eyesight is getting weak day by day, and it may lead to diabetic retinopathy. There are no symptoms at the beginning. So if you want to check, the best way I would suggest for all of us, all the people, always make sure in every 120 days. Okay, 120 days is 4 months. Okay, 120 to 180 days, make sure that you visit your eye specialist and show him your vision, your sight once. We always think, no, I don't think my eye has a problem, I never wear specs, I can identify objects very easily. Sorry, maybe this is not the beginning stage. Maybe you are just starting with a change in your vision. Only doctor will be able to identify, are there any early symptoms, are there any concerns regarding your eye health. Retinopathy is a serious condition. It leads to impairment of your vision, and the last stage is blindness. Maybe you'll have blurry vision. Some people lose sight of one eye. Okay, all of this happens only because of one reason: uncontrolled diabetes management. So I request all of you, speak to your health coach today itself how to manage your blood sugar levels. Please understand, blood sugar is a lifestyle disease. It is a long term disease. आपको बाहर कुछ दिखाई नहीं देगा. You would not be able to view any symptoms at the beginning. There may be some concerns related to your eyesight, your eye health, and diabetes. So make sure that blood sugars are controlled. So you are not even at the slightest risk of having any type of retinopathy or even beginning with those basic symptoms or early signs. Yes. Can you see here two images? Same images are seen. One is with the sight of a person who has retinopathy, and one is a normal vision. Okay, this is what exactly happens. So many people may ask here, I sometimes feel blurry, I sometimes cannot see objects clearly. Please do not waste time. As soon as possible, first of all, check your blood sugar levels, visit your eye specialist and mention this to your diabetologist. Call him, connect with him, and let him know. This is a serious concern, and we have to visit the doctor as early as possible. Okay, let's see the second condition which occurs due to uncontrolled blood sugar levels or increased diabetes: macular edema. Okay, so as we discussed, fluid buildup in the retina. What does exactly happen? The normal retina gets swollen up. You start looking at objects in a blurry manner. Okay, and very important, these conditions are to your most sensitive organ in the body. I agree, there could be pills, injections, laser treatments, surgeries that can be done, but please make sure that that stage does not occur, and we take care of our diabetes management at the beginning level. Okay, so it's very important because macular edema is a very serious problem wherein your retina, आपका जो sight hota hai. The black pupil, above that, if you see carefully, there is a transparent cover like thing. That is your retina. Okay. That is where it gets blurry. The fluid starts building up on your retina, because of which the transparency of the retina reduces. You start blurry vision. It swells up. मतलब normal size जो आपके retina का है, that will get swollen up and it will get dilated. Okay, so what are the common symptoms which are seen? Blurry vision, very clear identification. This is usually done by doctors, but in case any of you feel this when you are in your day-to-day lifestyle, in your office, in your home, when you're watching TV, when you're watching your phone, color fading, or unable to identify the difference of color between two different colors. Okay, if that happens, please immediately connect with your doctor. Blurry vision, okay, dilated pupils, and faded or not able to distinguish between various colors. These factors are common symptoms which can help us identify whether there is edema. Let me tell you, such diseases are very, very sensitive, and none of these diseases can be identified at early stages. Okay, so it is best, as we discussed, every 120 to 180 days, that is every 4 to 6 months, make sure you ask your diabetologist. If you don't want to go proactively to an eye specialist, please ask your diabetologist, is it required to examine my eyes in this month, or before the next follow up, or in next 3 months? आप सामने से सवाल पूछो. You proactively ask question to your diabetologist, because we suggest every 4 to 6 months visiting your eye specialist is essential. Okay, treatment, as I said, it is a very sensitive condition. It is for the most sensitive organ of the body, your eyes. There are drops, pills, injections, surgeries which are available, but I feel the best way to not have any issues with your vision, your sight, or any eye concerns is managing your diabetes, keeping your HbA1c, that is your 3 months blood sugar, under control. The average every time, every 3 to 4 months, when your HbA1c reading is done, make sure that it is below 7%. If it is higher currently, don't worry. Our team of health coaches will help you reduce that. But please keep in mind, the target always has to be less than 7% or between 6.5 to 7%. Yes. Arshia, can you help us? The third important disease, which the health coaches will share with you definitely, is your vision impairment, as we saw in the first slide, correct? So the issue here is that vision impairment. What do we exactly understand by vision impairment? As we discussed earlier, your sight becomes weak. Okay, simple objects which are kept nearby, you are unable to identify them. You may say that I travel by train or I travel by bus, and I am not able to identify the location when the train or the bus comes. That is okay. Maybe you have your specs, and that is the reason you are unable to identify. But with blurry vision, with vision or impairment of your vision, there could be concerns related to your health. We actually stop presenting because we want to discuss a very important insight here, that how vision and how your health can impart various things. As we discussed, we have to focus on three things. First thing, HbA1c, that is your 3 months of average between 6.5 to 7%. Second, physical activity of 150 minutes per week. Okay, it's not that you have to complete 100 minutes in a day and the other 5 days you're not active. Sorry, 150 minutes divided by 7, that is how you need to complete minimum activity for any person who is a pre-diabetic, overweight, or has diabetes. The third important thing is healthy eating. Okay, healthy eating, more information, please connect with your health coach. She will teach you what is a balanced plate, what are carbohydrates, what are proteins, what are fibers. Very important condition. The next condition we are coming to, glaucoma. Glaucoma occurs when pressure builds up in the eye. We discussed this, right? Blood vessels which carry blood to your retina, okay, are gradually lost because of so much sugar in your blood, in your body. The veins get clogged. They are unable to supply sufficient blood and oxygen to your vision, to your sight. Okay, this should not happen, and this imparts a very prolonged effect on your sight. The most concern in this condition is there are no symptoms, there are no causes. None of us can identify do you actually have a glaucoma. Only your eye specialist can identify with the eye test. Let me give you a local thing. What do they do? When you visit a eye specialist or when you go to a eye clinic, they will put some chemical drops in your eyes and ask you to relax for 2 to 5 minutes. After that, they will open your pupil, they will distend it. Okay, they will actually distend your eyes with a torch or with some help or support, and they will check the size of your pupil, they will check the size of your retina, they will check is your retina transparent. Okay, all of this monitoring is done. Only a eye doctor can identify these things. No diabetologist, no health coach, no nutritionist can help you with this. This is a very serious condition and occurs with uncontrolled diabetes for a prolonged period. There are many patients which we have seen in the past who had uncontrolled diabetes for 5+ years and suddenly lost their vision. Please take care of your blood sugar levels at a very controlled rate. Otherwise, these are all side effects that can occur. On the screen, you can see that how does the vision start fading. सबसे पहले आप clearly देख सकते हैं your sight is very clear. After 30 days or say 20 to 30 days, the sharpness or the vision sight reduces. Eventually, after few more days, your object identification also reduces. After certain days, you would not be able to identify individuals or your normal surroundings. These things only happen because of uncontrolled diabetes. Please take care of yourself. Three things are very important as we discussed: HbA1c control, regular exercise, and taking a balanced plate on your every meal. Okay, okay. We have discussed a lot of information in last 30 minutes. Let us see what questions we have for today. Okay, in the early stages of diabetic retinopathy, there are three options given. The small blood vessels in the eye become weak. A. Small amounts of blood leak out of the retina. B. Both are correct. What do you feel? Please click on your screen. You will receive a response. Please click on your screen. Do not answer in the chat box. Please click on your screens. Okay, can we see the answer now? Great. So in early stages of diabetic retinopathy, blood vessels in your eyes become weak. Okay, and blood leak from your retina also happens. Great. I'm so happy to see this. 64% of our AccuCheck Wealthy members were able to identify this. Great. I'm so happy. That means the information is working. We are understanding what we are discussing. Very great knowledge sharing. Yes. Okay. Let us understand that how can all of this be changed? Okay. Very simple. I have been discussing this for a long time. All we need to do is control our blood sugar levels. Whatever measures it needs, self-care changes, behavior implications, lifestyle interventions, all can be applied. Only one answer to all of these things: managing your blood sugar levels. Okay, your vision cannot be compromised. Please understand, eyes are at the highest risk if you have uncontrolled diabetes for a prolonged period. Please take care of them. It is the most sensitive and, in a way, if you see, the most important organ in your body. Okay, so let's not neglect our blood sugar level. Take care of all the ups and downs we have in our blood sugar management, and make sure that our vision is not compromised. Okay, we have discussed these 3 points earlier, and I would like to reiterate it for everyone here. Three important things all of us need to start with from today with the AccuCheck Wealthy program. Number one, making sure that we target our HbA1c below or between 6.5 to 7%, minimum 150 minutes of activity in the entire week. And third important thing, having a balanced plate at least 5 times in a week out of the 7 days. Yes. Meanwhile, you can drop your queries in the chat box or the Q&A section. We'll be happy to help you at the end. Yes. Okay. So let us understand what do we exactly mean by specific things which can help us preserve our vision. As we discussed, A, B, C, S. 4 things. Please remember this jargons. 4 important things which we need to manage in our routine. A, A1C reductions, that is HbA1c. B, blood pressure control. C, cholesterol check. And S, stop smoking or alcohol. I'm sure many of you must have received this advice from your health coaches. But as a part of the program, as a part of today's session, to make sure that there are no issues with your vision, we have to 100% discuss about how to manage vision health. A, B, C, S. Okay. A is managing your HbA1c. B is managing your blood pressures. C is managing your cholesterol. And S is stop smoking and alcohol. Once you have high blood sugars or diabetes. Okay. Okay, so let me tell you why is it essential for us to manage blood sugar and cholesterol. Maybe many of you will tell me here, Madam, I don't have high blood pressure or I don't have cholesterol. Why is it important that I need to manage my blood pressure and cholesterol? Please understand, diabetes is correlated to your entire body's health. Similarly, blood pressure or hypertension causes heart diseases. Okay. And excuse me, and if your blood pressure goes above 140, okay, that is 140 by 110, it may cause a serious concern. Okay. Eventually it will lead to high blood sugar levels. Your blood pressure will also go up, your blood sugars will also go up, which will impact on your vision directly. Okay. Second thing is cholesterol. As we all know, cholesterol has two parts. One is the good cholesterol, one is the bad cholesterol. Always understand, LDL is the bad cholesterol, HDL is the good cholesterol. If you want to control your lipids or your cholesterol levels, make sure that the LDL, bad cholesterol, is under control and good cholesterol, HDL, is on the higher end. Okay. Next is smoking or alcohol. Okay. So all of us know that there are concerns with our smoking and alcohol and how it impacts our body. If we can change the slide, how smoking and alcohol impacts our body. Okay. Smoking leads to blocking your blood vessels. The tar in your body is deposited, because of which it creates an impact on your breathing capacity, your blood transmission from one organ to the other, and most importantly, your oxygen carrying capacity of your cells. Okay. Hence, smoking has to be prohibited. Okay. Next, alcohol. As we all know, alcohol has empty calories. We always tell our patients, alcohol is equal to empty calories. ना तो उससे पेट भरता है, ना तो आपको satisfaction मिलता है. All you achieve is you feel relaxed and you feel lost understanding. All these things will come over back after an eventual period. So smoking and alcohol need to be prohibited. Okay, let's move. The next important thing for all of us is we visit doctor regularly. I think we have discussed this for a very long period in the entire discussion today. Two people you need to consult at least on equal intervals. One, your diabetologist. Second, an eye specialist or ophthalmologist. Number one, your diabetologist. Every 30 days or every 90 days, depending on your current blood sugar levels, your current HbA1c, and what your doctor tells you. Next, your eye specialist. Every 90 days, every 120 days, or every 180 days, depending on your current eye condition, your eyesight. Okay. Let's move. Eat for wellness. I know all of us are foodies here. All of us love eating, including me. But please understand, cheat meals only should be taken as cheat meals and not as day-to-day eating routine. Very important for all of us here. You will lose that importance or excitement of a cheat meal if you do not have it once in a while. Very important for all of us to understand. Follow a balanced plate. Follow advices given by your health coach. What is protein? What are carbohydrates? Which sources should you consume? How much fiber should you eat? All of this is essential. If your doctor has provided you a diet chart, is it appropriate for you? Should I follow it? What is lacking? What needs to be included? Please connect with your health coach and understand all of these factors to know about the program more. Yes. Exercise regularly. I think this is among our ABCs to manage vision. Activity, as all of us know, as per the Indian Diabetic Association, IDA, a minimum of 150 minutes of activity in a week is essential, which is roughly 30 minutes per day. Every person needs to spend 30 minutes to live longer without any complications, any future conditions, or any progression of your current disease. Get annual eye screenings. I think we have discussed this over and over again. Connecting with your eye doctor, your eye specialist is a very important factor here. Every 120 days or every 180 days, that is 4 to 6 months, connecting with your doctor is of prime importance, and getting your eyes checked. People commonly ask me this question. I have specs and I check my specs number every 2 months or 3 months. Do I still need to visit a doctor? Yes. Please understand, the person who checks your eye number maybe does not examine your entire eye, your retina, your pupils, your sight, your vision, clarity, transparency. All of these things are not measured in your when you go for checking your specs or your number. Okay, so these two things are different. Specs is just to make sharper or clear sight, and your eye examination is your entire eye examination with your vein check, with your retina check, with your vision clarity. Okay, let us understand when are we supposed to visit an eye doctor. Sudden change in how clearly you see, uh, taking more time than normal to adjust to darkness, or getting any red spots or black lines or blurry vision in front of your eyes, or seeing red fog, or there is some unidentification of multiple colors. That is also a very common thing which is seen in a lot of people. They are unable to identify colors very easily. So anytime you feel any of these things, please visit your doctor. Let me tell you once again, darkness, black spots, black lines, red spots, unable to sharper view or have a vision towards a specific object or a specific location, and seeing any color distension or any fog or any blurry vision of various colors mixing together in front of your eyes. This is when immediately, please understand, eye is the most important and sensitive organ in your body. Immediately connect with your doctor. Yes, we are coming up with a quiz for all of you. The question for quiz is, what type of eye exam should you have at least once a year? A, dilated eye exam, B, standard eye exam, and C, diabetes eye exam. Yes, quickly select an option on your screen. Let us identify what type of eye examination do you think we should have once a year. Yes, let us see what is the right answer. Great. A dilated eye exam. Okay. I think all of us understand that diabetes and eye correlation is very, very important. But a dilated eye exam is what is essential and important for all of us to do it at least twice in a year with a gap of six months, even if there are no signs and symptoms, just because you are a diabetic, pre-diabetic, newly diagnosed diabetic, prolonged diabetes, or just overweight, obese at a very high BMI, please go to your eye specialist 4 to 6 months once. Okay, let's see how technology uh, helps or builds up in staying healthy. I am sure all of us are here today because you enrolled yourself as a part of technology, and we can connect today as a part of great technology. So please understand, if you want to help yourself, if you want to work on your management, on your diabetes, on your self care behaviors, we can help you as a part of AccuCheck Wealthy program, as a part of technology from the comfort of your home. Okay, so stay healthy, examine your eyes regularly, and make sure you control your blood sugar levels. Okay, so all of us here know, but I still want to make sure that um, you know your health coach is available at an easy click on your phone, as simple as how all of you joined this session. Similarly, um, anytime you feel you need support, you need constant motivation, nudging, uh, encouragement, your health coach is the most appropriate person on the AccuCheck Wealthy app to help you regarding your diabetes management. Please understand, eye care, nephropathy, all of these things can only be controlled if you have controlled diabetes. Yes, we have lovely people like you who have loved our AccuCheck Wealthy program and today are living a very happy and healthy life with their family, friends, and are thankful for the great association they had with the entire team, the AccuCheck Wealthy program, and their usage of the app. You can see the great feedback, the great review. How did it benefit them? What advantages did we actually give them? This is 100% lifestyle, natural program. We do not give any supplements, medicines, powders, tablets, anything. We just give two important things: lifestyle changes and motivation. Yes, and there are people who have come down from a 13 HbA1c to a 6 HbA1c, that is highly diabetic to a pre-diabetic. We have people who have become almost non-diabetic, who have come to a range of 5.5 or below. We have people who have lost um, 10, 15, 20 kgs of weight in a period of 6 to 10 to 1 year. Please follow your health coach. Your health coach is your support, your guide, your mentor, and your only motivator in this entire journey. Let us understand, for all our new AccuCheck Wealthy members, these are the three plans. You can see the plans displayed. We have a yearly plan. We have a yearly plan with HbA1c test, complementary with the plan. And we have a monthly plan. If you're not sure if you just think pata nahi kya hai, will it really be helpful for me, try the 1 month plan. Go for it. If you feel it's beneficial, we can help you with a yearly renewal as well. Okay, it's not just that we say that our patients have given a feedback or we have reduced these numbers. It is actually American Diabetic Association, wherein our papers were published. IDF, Indian Diabetes Federation, where our papers are published, and we are endorsed and recognized by these worldwide organizations with a drop of almost 2% HbA1c and almost 2.5 kgs mean weight loss. मतलब जितने patients आए सबका almost 2 to 3 kg weight loss हुआ in the entire program with a drop of 2%, around 1 to 2% in the entire program. Yes, you can be one of them too. All you need to do is ask your health coach to give you a call, speak to her, understand how this program will go. I am looking forward to connecting with you every Saturday to discuss about the amazing active role and changes in knowing about your diabetes management journey. Please understand, we can guide you, tell you, motivate you, support you, but ultimately it's you who has to put the entire effort. Yes, so we are open for questions. Anybody has any questions? Okay. Thank you so much, Sunita ji. Mr. Vivek, regular eye exercises for health. Please drop this message to your health coach. She will not just give you eye exercises, but she will also share a link जहां पे आपको दिखाया जाएगा ये eye exercises किस तरह से करते हैं. Yes. So I will make sure that I inform your health coach and she shares a meaningful link of a video to understand and practice regular eye exercises. Can we evade cataract in lifetime? So sorry, I am not the right person to give you enough information about this. This is why I tell you to connect to you, to your eye specialist. Make sure you connect with an eye doctor once in 4 months or once in 6 months. Please do ask this question to your doctor. Yes, I'm waiting for some exciting questions. Do I have to be concerned for my eye issues if my HbA1c is below 6 always? Good question. Thank you for that. I'm sure many people here are just doing this as a part of diabetes prevention or as a part of preventive health because they are not sure, should I actually consult a doctor? मुझे जरूरत नहीं है. I suggest, if not once in 4 months or 6 months, please do connect once in a year. साल में एक बार अपनी आंखों को चेक करना is very, very good. Please do that. If your BMI is high, if you want to prevent yourself from diabetes, if you feel your entire family, your siblings or your parents or your grandparents had diabetes and you don't want that risk to come to you, please connect with a eye specialist. Viewing more mobile and laptop affect eyes. Yes, some bad effects of technology. All of us are aware. Anything done in more than normal can cause a negative effect, can cause a bad effect. Please understand, regular vision view of the screen should not be more than 60 minutes at a stretch. कोई भी वीडियो आप देख रहे हैं, कोई भी ऑफिस का काम, मूवी, टीवी, theater, a laptop, wherever you are, at a continuous pace, You should not watch the screen for more than 60 minutes as per the eye doctors or the specialist. If you feel that you are busy or if you are having concerns, please take a 10-minute break or take a 5-minute break, or just splash some water on your eyes and then continue the work or your office job which you were um, doing. Say something about controlling type 1 diabetes. Okay, type 1 diabetes is a serious condition. Let me tell you, you are you may have sudden changes, sudden hyper, बहुत जल्दी ब्लड शुगर हाई हो जाता है, बहुत जल्दी लो हो जाता है. This is a common thing which is seen in any person or any patient who has type 1 diabetes. So please, I request you, connect with your doctor and understand from him that is it a harm or something you need to keep a check on. But I suggest every 4 months, like any other diabetic, you need to consult with the doctor. Can one come out of glaucoma of one eye? Definitely. As we saw, there are laser surgeries, there are replacements. But if you are facing this condition, please consult an eye specialist and inform your diabetologist very, very soon or even immediately, because this is a serious concern. And good that it is just affecting how can we know which type of eye concerns do we have? Yes. How can we know what eye concerns do we have, or how is our vision? As we discussed, Devdeep, for cholesterol, you need to check your lipid profile. Okay, very, very important. Go to any lab, 10 cc of blood sample will be taken. Please tell them you want to identify your lipid profile, LIPID, lipid profile. Okay, please understand this. Go to a lab, test it, and next time when you visit your doctor, please make sure that you tell the doctor about your lipid levels. Please take a class on diabetes and sexual related concerns. Definitely, next 1 to 2 months, we will come up with new topics, new changes, and we'll definitely consider this topic, Mr. Sanjay. Thank you so much for your suggestion. Are any foods good for health? Yes, definitely. Any fruits which are citrus in nature. What do we understand by citrus? Rich in vitamin C, in the group of red, orange, yellow. Let me tell you again, any fruits or vegetables rich in vitamin C, or any fruits or vegetables in the color range of yellow, orange, and red are very good sources for your eye health. Please consume them regularly. If you want to know any recipes related to these three colors of fruits and vegetables, please connect with your health coach. Okay, sure, we will consider this request. As you say that every Saturday it's not possible for you because few people work on Saturdays. We'll definitely consider this request for the coming 3 to 6 months. We may conduct few webinars in the weekdays, at least once or twice throughout whenever possible. HbA1c 5.2 at the age of 63. Is this okay? Wow, amazing control, Mr. Rath. I am impressed and happy to see you have maintained 5.2. But let me tell you, at the age of 63, control is very important, and continuously following what you're following needs to be adhered to. Because as we know, as we age, the complications start improving. So, what care, what routine you're currently following with your health coach, make sure you follow it throughout the entire journey so that the complications are not built and you're able to maintain these HbA1c levels. I will still suggest once a year connect with your doctor who's an eye specialist. Okay, super interactive sessions. We have a lot of more questions. Help me select between generic and branded medicines. Which one would you like to suggest? Yes, Mr. Yadav, best medicines are those suggested by your doctor. Let me tell you, no brand can be suggested from the entire number of brands which we have. Next time when you go to your doctor, tell him to write the name of brands on the prescription with the name of the medicine. How this will happen? This will impact our trust or medicine usage and medicine utility by the body in a very good way. Okay, may the generic ones affect fluctuate blood sugar. So sorry, we are not going to decide that. I'm so sorry. Neither are you a doctor nor am I a doctor. Let the expert, let the person who gives us an advice on that decide that. Do not decide the dosage of the medication. Do not alter or change the medication. All you need to do is follow your prescription, follow your health coach. Okay, a lot of information, lot of insights, lot of questions. Wow, I am overwhelmed. Thank you so much for such a great response to each one of you. We are coming up next week with a very new session with actually something related to eyesight, vision, and diabetes management, but in regional language, Hindi, so that everybody at a pan India level understands it, uses it, and adheres it in their day to day life. Once again, wish you all a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Thank you for being a part of today's session. Enjoy your festivities, but don't forget to keep a check on your health. Thank you so much. See you all next week.